lona ngupart 2 wethu ne ukuthi bambambile uKat Matlala nge14 kaMeyi. Xa bembamba bafuna ioffice eduze abazafuna bayothetha kuyo. This is what uwitness C had to say, but accompanied yintoni ze recordings. Mamelani masiyaphi ubanjiwe ukatiso bafumana ioffice bahamba bayothetha kulo office leyo. Bathe bethetha kulo office leyo bafika ba lento akayithethayo idinga ukurekhodwa ngoba wayecula. Bamrekhodile uKat Matlala. Abemrecord uKat Matlala wacula wathi he's very bitter towards uMinister Mchunu because he had promised him protection. After even wayo rate babemraidile mos nge6 uwitness C babeyile bayo rate kwaKat Matlala nge6 kaDisemba ukuthi uwitness A and B bona bayobamba uKatiso Molefe. So uC wayekwela qela laliyo rate kwaKat Matlala. After then uMinister Mchunu wasebenzisa igrabber something like that ukuthi find out abantu babepha. As a result lo information uMinister Mchunu wayipha uKat Matlala into ba ngobani amaphoyisa wayipha wababiza. Utsho kuwitness C uthi wasibiza amagama ukuthi ngobani abantu babepha kwakhe beyo raider. Uyifumana phi lonto uKat uthi uyifumana kuMinister Mchunu. It's through connection kaMinister Mchunu. Okay, so he's very bitter at the fact about ucancelishe i-contract yakhe ye 360 million. Cancellation nini ngayizolo nge13 kaMeyi. So ufile into ba umbethreyile uMinister Mchunu akakwazanga ukukhipha apha to ipromise yakhe. As a result beke prepared into ba uzaya nase high court ayobhala affidavit implicate uMinister Mchunu nobugebengu uMinister Mchunu aka involved kuyo. Allegedly as what uKat is saying based on what naphofu ndithatha phi ndithatha ku witness C. Phofu witness C esitsho sithi bane recordings zikhona ke recordings eziqalisiwe ukumanyelwa recordings zakhona ezika apho sekecula khona. Enye yazo nansi ndi-attachile apha ne. However sisuthu but ayosuthu esi-complicated osisitswana asikho complicated but umuntu ongasazi angeke eve ncam. But basically kulapho esitsho khona into obukwatile into ukuthi uminister angakhanselisha i-contract yakhe ukuthi they probably owe each other favors. Part of i-favors ezo akazimentionayo umentionela mcimbi lo buvezwe nguGeneral Khumalo into ba he sponsored okanye he did pay some expenses uKat Matlala for i-delegation ye-ANC okuvela ngathi i-delegation eka Minister Mchunu le ayiye kuphi kula January 8. Buzani imali okuthiwa ngathi ibhadelwe akusukuvela about very close to 500,000 imali akathi uKat wayibhatala icaterela for ama-accommodation ama-flights ne-entertainment zabo le eCape Town. Okay, the other thing evela into ba uKat Matlala ebeyuzwa nguMinister Mchunu because he wanted to ukuthi campaign noMinister Mchunu for ntoni for ukuba ipresident ebefuna uba ipresident yini uMinister Mchunu. So uKat ebemsponsora ngendlela bekemsponsora ngayo. So zizo izinto ezivelile ke apho. But now the tricky part about lama recording awazuba as interesting as we thought because bamane bewamamela bestopa to identify okay ngubani uthetha apha ivoice kabani leile. So as a result akuzuba lula into umuntu ayilandele, especially ungasazi isitswana ofisuthu. However yona nje izavakala but I'm sure they're gonna take ixesha elide kakhulu because bachilo bathi kwaye le recording is about 5 hours but bebezimisela into babazasimamelisa just the interesting parts. But as interesting part xa kuzathiwa ndithi mina no ungikwatisile uMinister Mchunu ngoba cancel contract yami kuthiwe ikhadwe kubuzwe ngibani lo thetha apha kuthiwe hayi nguKat Matlala kuthiwe kuqhubeka. Okay ndoda uyicancelisha njani? Okay stop ngibani lo thetha apha. So bayimamela njalo. So it's not really interesting but sizayimamela because andinikolota into ba ndibuye ndizonixelela ba kuthwani. So that's what it's about. So on part 3 yam ndizanixelela nge-relationship ukaGeneral Sibiya uba uGeneral Sibiya ungenaphi yena ukuthi kwalapha kule 360 million tender uya implicated because ingathi uthi uyifumene through connection kaGeneral Sibiya ubize igama kaGeneral Sibiya kule 360 million tender yakhe uKat Matlala. There are recordings.
But now, stop contract job. Whereas you've just told us for it, you funded it. Yes. The flight and stuff.
Yes, meaning he's biting me from one room against a smile island. That's why I couldn't get to I was in Turkey, but I look at my phone, you can open it to see. Because they get getting what's in today to brown water. They say this to the minister. Almost. So I did that January 8th. They even on my bank statements, I think you'll see them. I hope that they come back again.
Okay?
My bank statements, you see, I hope that they come back. The flight, the accommodation, I give them money or entertainment, all those things.
You give them how? Cash or you
No, they will give how, not just it was a gift to this company with a Howla. If you see a company called Howlatli, you can have a very excited to take money.
Howlatli?
Yeah, something Howlatli is just one.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, I'm saying it's a name of a company.
Yeah. Your company,
It's a-
like Howlatli, PTY, or what?
I didn't pay attention to those things.
So when if umsachele to patela through your